guys, today I'm opening this blue Apron box. It has meal kits that you could make and you could stay healthy. Let's open it. It has two recipes, one veg and one chicken.
These are all the ingredients I got from the Blue Apron for my two recipes. This is for the chicken one and these are for this one is for the pizza. I chose zucchini focaccia pizza and balsamic chicken and mashed potatoes, and all these ingredients are placed in a box and an ice pack is kept so that the food doesn't get spoiled and it stays fresh. And these are the very good precautions taken by them, and the food looks, all the veggies look very fresh, even the chicken too. There are many other options. I chose for one chicken and one veg. You can go for anything, you have everything.